using AI in coding. This amazes me to even talk about this topic and to tell you what and all technologies are available out there which you can like literally use and build whatever the technology which you want to create using AI. So first of all, the most popular technology nowadays, that is ChatGPT. It's a chat prompt where you ask it whatever you want to get from it and immediately it will reply with it. For example, if you ask how to create function which adds two number using JavaScript, immediately it is going to give you that particular code which says that how you can add two number, and that particular code which you can use directly in your project. That's one of the popular technologies available out there. Lots of my friends use it. They pretty much use it each and every day, and they like using it frequently for whatever the code which they are working on right now. And other technologies like GitHub Copilot, which is directly integrated into your VS Code, a code editor which we web developers use. That particular thing also is something similar to it. If you write function name as add two numbers, it will give you suggestion of entire function itself on whatever the language which you are using it. So immediately entire function will be appeared and you can directly go ahead and edit it however the way you want. It's not like it's rigid that you have to use that function only. It's editable. You can directly go and you can edit if something is wrong. I think these two are the only popular technologies which are available right now for coding, and there are so many other technologies also available, something like directly type whatever the things which you want to type and it will give immediately entire website with the code also. So I'm not going to talk about those technologies because they are not that much popular, and obviously we want something which will be integrated with us, not some ready-made technology where you directly go and you tell it that build one e-commerce website and immediately one website it will give to you and you can use it and your life is amazing. You can sell it for thousands of rupees, even maybe lakhs of rupees. So that's not we are going to talk about, and that might not be as easy as it sounds also. I already made one video about it, so you can check it out in my channel, that easy ways are not always the best way to do in web development. As a beginner, do I recommend you to use AI in your day-to-day task? The thing is, it's really up to you whether you want to use AI, whether you want to directly Google and search, or whether you want to go to library and read the books about how to code. Either way, it's really up to you that what kind of technology which you want to use to learn coding. But important thing here is you need to learn coding. That's important. Whether AI is going to help you or not, that's entirely different topic. But you need to learn it. Maybe using AI, maybe using GitHub Copilot, or maybe using any other technologies. It doesn't matter. First of all, that you need to clear. And another thing is, as a beginner, it's always preferred that you learn from some real human beings instead of directly asking one ChatGPT what kind of thing which you want to do. Because the thing is, lots of technologies, these things cannot introduce you to it. But as a real human being, one person can tell you that okay, learn these things, you'll be able to actually build something out of it. Only a real human being can tell. Yes, of course, you can directly go there and ask like what I need to learn. Obviously, it is going to answer you with whatever the default things which it has saved in its database, that maybe you need to, in order to become web developer, you need to do this, and all those things which it will answer. But a real human being can see your capability and inspire you to do even more what you think you are capable of. So that's why real human being, it's always preferred if you're beginner. But of course you can use AI also with that if you are having some doubt, directly you can go to AI and ask whatever the doubt which you are having, and it will solve you and it will help you out. That's about beginners. So what about intermediate people, where these people already know how to code, but they are facing some trouble whenever they are coding? For them, this AI is really amazing technology, because you just go ahead and ask whatever the error you are getting, you directly copy and paste in that particular chat prompt in ChatGPT, and immediately it will check its database, which is called as thinking in terms of AI specialists, and it will give you whatever the result which it thinks that it is actually as a solution. And when you see that solution, you try to put it inside your code and see for yourself whether that particular thing works or not. If it works, really amazing. If it doesn't work, always there is Google for you to search, and or even you can ask some of your friends in order to fix. But either way, whether you like it or not, whether you are using it or not, either way, this technology is going to get popular and people are going to use it for their day-to-day work, because I remember people used to go to library and read things about coding before I started coding. Those people had no idea that people are going to just use Google and or even ChatGPT to find their answers. But we actually came up with this Google solutions and Stack Overflow, Reddit, and other blogs in Medium. All those things provided us with solutions. But in future, that is currently, people are using directly AI because you don't even have to search in Google of what you want to. Immediately, that particular chat GPT will give you the answer. Or even in terms of that Bing bot and even Google's Bard. All those things are amazing technology, and these are really the future of this coding. And don't think that future of coding is that you directly type whatever the thing you want and immediately it will give you code ready-made. That's not actually the future of coding. Future of coding is you communicating with the AI and getting the solution whatever you need, and upon that you are going to build whatever you want to build. It's not like everything will be ready made even in future, because that's not really how it works. You have to build something using whatever the results which these people are giving, else it will be like everyone will be able to code and there is no need of programmers only. That's same as saying that AI will take over all the human beings and all these politicians and all the other government resources. Everything will be controlled by AI. That's really rogue future, which I don't think probably might come for next 50 to 100 years probably. But either way, for coding, you can use AI if you want to use it. I am not personally using AI at the moment because I feel like it's hectic to form one question and ask that particular chat GPT or chat prompt instead of directly Googling and finding what other people have to say about it. That I feel like it's easy. But don't judge me on it, because lots of my other friends, they are using ChatGPT and they are loving it. And these friends, they are like really good programmers. They are not like some beginners. They have lots of skills with them, and but still they are using AI just for sake of doing something easily. So it's really up to you whether you want to use AI for coding or not. But either way, you need to code. That's important, because that's how you are going to achieve whatever the dreams which you are having to achieve. So that's it for this video, guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel also if you haven't already. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.